अशा पद्धतीच्या कंडिशन्स असतात की वी कॅन नॉट सेपरेट, वी कॅन नॉट or calypso is totally absent, and there is a petal, there is a perianth, and the perianth hole is called tepals. जसं आपण कॅलिक्सच्या स्मॉलेस्ट युनिटला सेपल्स म्हणतो, कोरोलाच्या स्मॉलेस्ट युनिटला पेटल्स म्हणतो, तसं या पेरियनच्या स्मॉलेस्ट युनिटला आपण टेपल्स म्हणतो. टेपल्स लक्षात ठेवा विद्यार्थी मित्र. व्हॉट इज टेपल्स? इट इज अ फ्लोरल होल of the perianth. Then tepals may be united. गॅमोसेपॅलस सारखं आणि गॅमोपेटॅलस, गॅमोसेपॅलस त्याच पद्धतीनं गॅमोटेपल्स. When tepals they are united, गॅमोटेपॅलस. When tepals are free, पॉलीटेपॅलस. पेटॅलच्या ऐवजी फक्त टेपॅलस वापरायचं, टेपल्स. सेपॅलच्या ऐवजी टेपल. सेम in this way. Then another terms or another small article is there. We are going to learn about that article. That article is a estivation. This estivation. Then what is estivation? What is the definition of that estivation? Where it is present? Listen very carefully, dear students. The mode of arrangement of sepals or petals or tepals also, sepals or petals or tepals also in flower bud with respect to members of the whole is called estivation. The arrangement of sepals or petals or tepals in a flower bud with respect to members of whole is called estivation, and there are 5 types of estivations are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 types are there. There are 5 types of estivations. First is the valvate. Valvate estivation. What happened in valvate estivation? How many conditions are there? How the arrangement of their petals? When petals of the whole lie close to each other, you see, this is the petals, petal, and the petals they are lie close to each other. That is neither overlap. That petals they are neither overlap of the margin of the adjacent petals. ते एकमेकांना overlap करत नाही. Or overlapped by the margin of the petal, or sepal, or tepal. That type of estivation is called valvate estivation. And the mustard is the best example of valvate estivation. Not overlapping for the adjacent petals. Then twisted estivation. Another type of estivation is a twisted. That is also known as a contorted. What happened in this twisted estivation? When the margin of the petal of a whole covers the margin of the adjacent petals. Adjacent petals margin cover करता येते. याचं हे मी कव्हर केलं, याचं हे मी कव्हर केलं. Adjacent petal cover करतं, and the other margin is covered by the margin of the adjacent petal. एकाची मार्जिन्स एकेकाने कव्हर केलेले आहेत. अशा पद्धतीचं जर एस्टिवेशन असेल तर आपण त्याला twisted or contorted estivation असं म्हणतो. and this order may be clockwise. ही जी ऑर्डर आहे ही एकदम क्लॉकवाईज असू शकते or it may be anti-clockwise. China rose he discussed, we know that the twisted or contorted estivation is there. This is the second type of estivation. Then imbricate estivation, third type is there. What happened in this? What is the conditions? तुम्ही या डायग्राम कडे पाहिले की तुमच्या लक्षात येतात कंडिशन्स. एक टोटली आत आहे, एक टोटली बाहेर आहे, आणि यांनी एक बाकीच्या बाजूंनी ओव्हरलॅप केलेले आहे. सोपं मराठीमध्ये सांगतो तुम्हाला. Then find both margins of one of the petals are covered. Both margins of one of the petals. Both margins covered. A margin रहेगा covered. Both margins are covered of the petals covered by the others, and both एक्सटर्नल. एकाच्या टोटल बाहेर मार्जिन्स, एकाच्या दोन्ही आत आहेत, एक आत एक बाहेर. कव्हरिंग ऑदर अँड दी रिमेनिंग 3 पेटल्स. 1 2 3 हे 3 पेटल्स राहिले. द रिमेनिंग 3 पेटल्स, one margin is overlap and the other overlapping. Cassia and Cisalpina is the best example of this imbricate estivation. Listen very carefully. Imbricate estivation example Cassia or Cisalpina. Then fourth is a quincunxial estivation. Quincunxial. In that quincunxial estivation, what happened? It is a special type of estivation. In that type of imbricate estivation, in this, याच्यामध्ये काय होतं? 2 petals are external, both margins are overlap. 2 याच्या बाहेर असतात, ही पण बाहेर आहे, ही पण बाहेर आहे. 2 margins are external, both margins overlapping. 2 are internal, 2 आतमध्ये असतात. ही टोटल यात आहे, ही टोटल यात. 2 margins they are inner, and in one petal, one margin overlap called overlapping. Example is cucurbita and ranunculus. cucurbita म्हणजे भोपळ्याचे जे फुलं असतात त्यांच्यामध्ये आपल्याला अशा पद्धतीचं स्ट्रक्चर दिसेल. One is totally out